make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video.
Hey, I'm back. I said, where you been, Mr. Smith? Well, I had knee surgery and I was out on my back for several weeks, and I'm telling you, knee surgery is not a joke. But I'm doing better, I'm ready to go. I got a great video for you today. It's about the Roblox Golden Unicorn. That's right, the legendary Golden Unicorn. I'm gonna show you how to draw it. I'm gonna show you how I put my spin on making it real colorful. And I got 3 different versions of the unicorn with different backgrounds, and I want you to tell me which one you like the best. But you gotta watch my video till the end to see it, okay? Whether you like 1, 2, or 3, and write that in the comments. Alright, I wanna thank everybody that sent in well wishes for me while I was recuperating. I love you so. I'm so appreciative of you. And just make sure that you give me that thumbs up, you hit that bell, you subscribe, you watch my video to the end, and you always share my videos with a friend and come back and see me again. Alright, I'm ready to draw. See you soon. Bye-bye.
An oval, a circle, and a small oval that's going to overlap the circle. We're going to connect straight lines to the circle. We're going to make ears. And we're going to use curving lines for the unicorn horn. Clean up our lines using our eraser. And then we need to start working on his flowing mane and tail. I used wavy lines when creating his tail. And for his feet, I use half circles that were curving at the bottom. Scotland is one of the few nations to have chosen a mythological creature rather than a real one as her national animal, and probably the only nation to have chosen an animal that no one believed actually lived there. Because Scotland's national animal is a unicorn. Unicorns are traditionally hunted unsuccessfully through forests, requiring the intervention of a maiden to capture them. And unicorn stories are almost as exclusive. When the Scottish royal family adopted the unicorn as a symbol of strength and purity in medieval times, resulting in unicorn statues and heraldic symbols in castles and town squares all over Scotland, they were identifying with a powerful animal they genuinely believe existed. They thought the unicorn was a real animal which lived somewhere else. But where else? Unicorn stories and lore have a wide geographical spread. There's a Chinese legend about a one-horned creature that foretold great events and brought luck and good fortune. The single horn Chilin was red, yellow, blue, white, and black. So it didn't look like the elegant colored beast we associate with what the world knows as unicorns nowadays. But it did have a gentle nature, never stepping on living grass or eating a living creature. The Chilin appeared to herald the birth of emperors, and it also heralded the birth of the great sage Confucius. There's a Ukrainian folktale about a boastful unicorn refusing to go on the ark, then managing to swim for 40 days and 40 nights. When the birds were sent out to find land, one perched on a unicorn's horn, and it sank under the waves, never to be seen again. All these stories, even the ones from places where unicorns were believed to have lived, were about rare glimpses of creatures only fleeting. The exclusive unicorn has symbolized many things in many places and many times. Today's glittery, child-friendly unthreatening commercialized unicorn is the only one version of the creature that people all over the world have been hunting for millennia.
Tell me in the comments which background you like the best. 1, 2, or 3.